Hey y'all, it's Buttas. I know I told y'all I'd do this video yesterday, but I'm doing it this morning. This is my first video, y'all, so bear with me. Today we're going to be doing the Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. Okay, so what you'll need is egg roll wrappers. I got them from Walmart. The steak also came from Walmart at the frozen section. Pepper jack cheese, mozzarella cheese, and I had some frozen bell pepper onion mix in my freezer. I got from my local meat market. Okay, y'all, the first step is cooking the meat. So I got my meat and my bell pepper and onion in the pan. I'm going to season it with accent, season salt, and some pepper. I don't measure, I just season to taste. You can always add more seasoning at the end, but you can't take it away. So, I'm going to let that cook for a while. I'm going to cover it, and then I'll come back once that's done. Alright, the meat's ready. I'm about to drain it and we'll be ready to roll. I'm gonna take one. And what I do is a slice of pepper jack. Get the meat down in the center. Top that meat off with a little mozzarella, and then I take this side, turn it, take that side, and I come in with this corner, fold it, and I roll it. Got a tuck and roll. Tuck and roll. A little dab of oil. And you got an egg roll. Let them cook for about 3 minutes, and then I'll pull them up, cut them open, and put the high stove. Okay, 3 minutes has passed. They're ready to come out this skirts. And let me show you what this hype about. Let me just show you.